Start.
Hello everyone. My name is Pooja Kher and I'm a student of B.Ed second year, Pragya College of Education. Before we come to the main topic, let me ask you one thing. We all have learned about fractions, right, in our school. So how did we learn? It was in our books, or ma'am told us on the board that if you join half and half, we get a 1, or half can be further divided into 1/4, right? Let me show you another way. So suppose this is a this block represents 1. Okay, I have another block here which is exactly half of this block, right? So that means if I join two halves, I'll be able to get one block. And this further, I have another block which is half of this half, that is 1/4 of this. So that means if I join 4 of these, I will be able to get 2 halves, that is 1, isn't it? So that was another way of learning fractions. So what is the difference? The first way, where we learned about fractions through our books or blackboard, so that was our textual knowledge, right? The concept we learned was through books and textbooks. The second way which I showed you is where we actually did that to learn about the concept. Okay, so that means we gained the knowledge through practice. So this is what we are going to discuss today, that is the knowledge gained through theory and knowledge gained through practice. So this is what is theoretical and practical knowledge, right? So let's discuss this. सो हम हिंदी में इसको क्या बोलते हैं, सैद्धांतिक और व्यवहारिक ज्ञान. सैद्धांतिक मतलब सिद्धांतों पे जो बेस्ड होता है, सिद्धांत या आइडियाज या प्रिंसिपल्स, राइट? और व्यवहारिक जो हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में या व्यवहार में जिसे हम यूज करते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, राइट? सो व्हाट इज थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज? It is the knowledge of principles and ideas. So जो भी ideas या concepts जो हम learn करते हैं through theory, उसको हम theoretical knowledge बोलते हैं. Whatever the core principles are there behind the ideas or concepts, it is gained only through theoretical knowledge. It helps to understand the fundamental concept. So fundamental means क्या main core concept है किसी भी idea के पीछे. It is only learned through theoretical knowledge. Okay. It is the knowledge gathered from books, as I said. So if I learn fractions, or it is just one of the examples. So if I learned fractions, I learned it from the books. So जो भी textual content or whatever the knowledge we read about, it is the theoretical knowledge. It may or may not tell us कि उसको कैसे apply करना है, but mostly it doesn't tell us. It is just the knowledge or the idea behind the concept, right? What is practical knowledge? It is knowing how the principles and ideas are put into practice. जो भी हमने knowledge gain की through theory और our textbooks, उसको हम उसमें practical में कैसे use और कैसे apply कर सकते हैं. This is learned through practical knowledge. It involves taking the knowledge you already have and applying it in the real world. So there are two key words here you can choose is knowledge you already have. That means आपने already उस knowledge को gain कर लिया है through theory, and now you are going to apply it in the real world. एक simple example quickly मैं आपको समझाती हूँ कि I had a microwave at my home, so which was a very basic microwave which could just heat up the food, okay? And Now I bought a new microwave, which was with all the new facilities, and whatever I can do the grill, and I can bake and everything. So can I go directly and start baking in it or start grilling my food in it? No, because I don't know how much temperature or how much time I should put the food in. So what I do, I read about it. I take all the theoretical knowledge necessary for my application of that concept, and then I do it in the I actually do it. So that is what is called as real world, or हम जो हिंदी में बोल रहे थे व्यवहारिक ज्ञान, right? It helps us to adapt to the environment. So how adaptation, because we are humans and this is our main strength, that we can adapt to any kind of environment, but that it will only be possible if we are able to apply what we have learned. अगर जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं किताबी कीड़ा, तो मैम हमारी बोलती थी ना कि सिर्फ किताबी कीड़ा नहीं बनना है, because you should learn कि how you can apply that knowledge in the real world also. So what is the importance of these two? Both theoretical and practical knowledge go hand in hand. एक सिर्फ थ्योरी या सिर्फ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज से आपको कॉन्सेप्ट का समझ नहीं आती है. बोथ ऑफ देम आर रिक्वायर्ड इफ वी हैव टू गेन मास्टरी ओवर अ सब्जेक्ट. Both skills are required to master a field. As I said, कि only going through practical knowledge, I will not be able to achieve perfection. I may be able to do the work in some way, but not perfectly. Theoretical learning lays the foundation of practical learning. Obviously, as I said, you can take any example. I cannot work in a practical scenario directly if I have to be a master in that field. So we have to have the core concept of that, and then only we can apply it. So thank you. This was a brief presentation of theoretical and practical knowledge. I hope you were able to understand. If you have any questions, you can ask me, or if you have questions later on, then you can drop it in the comment box of YouTube channel of Pragya College. Thank you.